Dive into unmatched sound with the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, featuring top-tier noise cancellation. Enjoy crystal clear audio and all-day comfort for music, calls, and more. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. How to wear. Ensure the earbud tip is facing downwards, then place the earbuds into your ear. Rotate the earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Download the Bose QCE app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Bose earbuds. To pair your Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds with an iPhone, open the case to enter pairing mode, look for a blinking blue light, or press and hold the button on the back if needed. Then go to Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, select the earbuds from the list, and they'll connect in seconds. After downloading the Bose app, open it and tap Connect a Product or Sign in to your account. Select Set up New Product, choose Headphones and Frames, and wait for your earbuds to appear, then tap Connect and Pair. Follow the on-screen steps to finish setup, and don't forget to try the immersive audio demo. Smart features? Advanced adaptive technology intelligently blocks out external noise for a distraction-free experience. Whether you're traveling or in a busy environment, it keeps your focus locked on your music or calls. Automatically analyzes your ear shape to fine-tune audio specifically for you. Delivers richer bass, clearer vocals, and a more balanced listening experience every time. Creates a 3D, surround-like sound experience that feels natural and lifelike. Makes your music and videos more engaging by placing sound all around you. Advanced microphones and AI filter out background noise for crystal clear calls. Your voice comes through naturally, even in busy or noisy environments. Ergonomic design keeps earbuds snug and comfortable for all-day wear. The wireless charging case provides extra power, so your earbuds are ready whenever you need them. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds. See you at the next one.